Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slack. Today I'm going to be doing a video rounding up some of my favourite concealers ever of all time slash at the moment. Not all concealers or not all great concealers cater to everyone, so I just wanted to do something quite inclusive and show like the best concealers out there for everybody. Just went through my collection and I realised that I actually have 41 concealers, which is insane. These are the concealers that haven't quite made the cut. But I think I'm going to do a declutter because I think that would be really useful, and also I need to get rid of some. I'm moving soon and I need to get rid of some of these concealers anyway. Also rediscovered this concealer the other day, the Milk Flex concealer, which is actually really good, but it's actually off. It stinks, but I really do actually like this. So once I've got through like a lot more of these concealers, I might repurchase this one because it's actually really nice. This is in the shade Tan. Shade Tan. Their shade range isn't amazing, but it's not the worst. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into it, guys. But if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slack family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. Okay, so as you can see, I've got pretty bad dark circles. They're definitely getting better, but they're still there. So I'm doing this for people with dark circles. They want to conceal under their eyes. Also wouldn't mind doing a bit of spot concealing whilst they're at it. I'm not going to break it up into best under eye concealers, best spot concealers, blah blah blah, because in an ideal world you do just want one concealer that's going to be good at everything, so you don't have to get like 4 different concealers. First I'm going to start with the budget affordable drugstore concealers, and I have 2 drugstore concealers that I think are the best concealers. I do also have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I just never use it, so I can't really give an opinion on it. I have done a video on it and I will link it down below, but all I remember is it does smell quite intensely. So if I had to have 2 favorite drugstore affordable budget friendly concealers, I would go for the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Now both of these have original formulas and they also have hydrating formulas. Makeup Revolution, I'm going to use the Conceal and Define to show you guys. On the other side, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Concealer. The Camo Concealer is a really good concealer, really nice formula. The only thing I would say about these, their shades are super different. They're both supposed to be deep chestnut. I'm back looking worse to wear already. Oh my god. So next I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Fetish Skin Fetish Concealer. I've got this in the shade MD24. It's a very true to my skin tone shade, which is fine, but I'm really now intrigued by the MD23. But I do like this concealer. It is very lightweight, but it gives decent coverage. It's kind of a concealer I can just rely on, so I like that, and that's what I like about all of these concealers. They don't really do me wrong. I know exactly what they do and they always do what they do. So I'm going to start with Pat McGrath. So for, oh my god, so for this side of my face, I'm going to be using the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. I've got this in the shade 5N. I do really like this concealer, and it's something I used a lot when we were like in pre-quarantine life. When I was out and about, it was like my favorite concealer, so I wanted to include it. This one is a neutral undertone. They didn't unfortunately have 5W for my skin tone, but it is a good concealer. Last but not least, guys, I've got two concealers that are just very dear to my heart for some reason or other. I just don't know why. I can't shake them. They're not the most full coverage. They're probably my least makeup-y concealers, but two of my favorite concealers, and two concealers that I've been reaching for a lot recently. Considering I do have very dark circles, you would think that I would love something that is full coverage, but I just absolutely love this Armani Luminous Silk concealer. It's really, really nice. It just really brightens up under my eyes. So this is the Armani. You can kind of see the luminosity in this concealer just through the tub. Like, it's so glowy, really nice. One I've pretty much used all summer, and I just don't know, I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did. I just literally kept reaching for it every single day. It is the RMS Beauty Concealer, Uncover Up Concealer. This is in the shade 66, and they do also have shades after me. I think it goes like 77, 88, 99. So I do really like this concealer. It's got a really nice undertone. It's very natural on my skin. It kind of just melts into the skin so nicely. It's really good for like no makeup days. It looks really glowy, really natural. It doesn't look like I've got anything on. And last but not least is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. Love this stuff. This is in the shade number 10. And I'll give you guys a swatch of it here. Guys, that is my top 6 concealers. I hope you like this video. I just thought I'd do something different. Also, one of my lovely subscribers suggested that I do it. And I was like, absolutely, let's do this. I really want to do a few roundups. So let me know if there's anything else you want me to do a roundup on. Maybe foundations, maybe powders, maybe primers, maybe setting sprays, eyeshadow palettes, one shadow eyeshadow. Also, it's coming to the end of the year, it's near Christmas time. Maybe you want to give yourself a gift or give someone else a gift. So let me know what you want to see down below in the comments below if you want to. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.